Hi guys, in this video, I'll show you how to create this kind of a typography text effect. First, let's type the text we need. I will take the word kick to match the image I'm going to use. Please subscribe our channel and join our family for more useful videos. It will be a great motivation for me to upload more exciting videos on a regular basis. Okay guys, back to the tutorial. Do the following adjustments as you needed and make the text a bit larger. Next, take the image you need, remove the background of it. I have taken the picture of Ronaldo. Place the image layer above the text layer. Next, take a copy of the image layer. Then make the copied image layer invisible. And right-click on the other layer and choose Create Clipping Mask. Then make the copied image layer visible and create a mask for that layer. Press Ctrl and I'd invert the mask. Choose the brush tool and set the following settings. Then while selecting the mask of that layer, brush on the areas where you want the image to pop out. It might take a few seconds to do it. Do it patiently and you'll get the perfect result. Then open blending options and choose drop shadow and do the following adjustments. Choose the settings as you wish until you get the perfect result. Click OK. Then create a gradient layer and select a similar color shade as the image. Then place that layer below the clipping mask layer and above the text layer to create a clipping mask to the gradient layer too. Okay guys, hope you understood the process of making this typography text effect. Okay guys, now our effect has been done perfectly. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel. See you guys in another wonderful and exciting tutorial.